everybody, Debbie Johnston here at ET Fireworks, located at the Reserve Event Center in Longview, Texas. Our address is 7725 US Highway 259. We've been around for over 10 years. We have a large selection in air-conditioned space, almost 6,000 square feet. We carry the biggest selection of artillery shells, finale cakes, assortment packs, fountains, you name it, we got it. Let our bulk buying ability save you money. Come on down and see us. We'll be open all the way through July 4th at midnight. Call me, 903-431-3496.